Section 2, our first data set, where we'll get our data set, take a first look at it, and begin preparing it. The data set we'll be working with is Pima diabetes. We'll attempt to predict this chronic disease, diabetes, among the Pima people of the American Southwest. This data set has been around for a long time, and almost every applicable machine learning algorithm has been run on it. If possible, I'll attach it here for you. If not, you'll have to retrieve it from the internet, and we'll load it into R. This dataset was originally on the UCI Machine Learning Repository, a great source of machine learning data for many years, but recently the site has removed most of its data. Kaggle has picked up many of these datasets, and here's the URL to get it from Kaggle. You'll have to register. Kaggle is another great source for machine learning. They run many competitions, both for experts and beginners, and you'll find many examples of machine learning techniques and discovery and learning resources. This is Notepad++, a good text editor for Windows. Many people use this as an R environment. They write code here and then run it on the R command line. Here I'm using it for the documentation. We see the dataset dates from 1990, and here they define diabetes for the purpose of the class label. There are 768 lines in the dataset, each a patient, with these 8 variables, plus the class label. 0 for no and 1 for diabetes. All are numeric valued. There are missing values we'll have to deal with. Diabetes is a chronic disease where people lose the ability to deal with their blood sugar, glucose. This is normally done with the hormone insulin. There are 2 types of diabetes. Type 1, where the body's insulin doesn't perform its function for some reason, and type 2, much more common, where the body doesn't secrete enough insulin. Diabetes can be controlled with injected insulin, but this means frequent injections, and insulin must be kept refrigerated, so power failures can pose serious risk. About a third of these women have diabetes, which is significantly higher than the general population. In the quick statistics, we see that the mean person in this data set has body mass index greater than 30, which is the usual definition of obesity. Since obesity is correlated with diabetes, this may partly explain the high incidence in this population. And here is what the data looks like. This is a comma-separated file. I don't see many missing values here. I'll quickly search for 2 commas. Not found in this text. Maybe they were wrong about the missing values.